me again for gaming. Today's video, we're trying to get a 1 in a billion slime with slime RNG. So I have joined my friend because if you join a friend, it will give you some luck, but not everything luck. So that's why I joined my friend. And here we go. I only made it to what's that? Meteor because I don't have money to. Oh wait, I gonna put the Candyland now. Let's go because I've been AFK. Look, I've joined two of my friends. We just have to grind slime and just look at my slimes. I have eight, 1 in an 8 million slime, 1 in a 7 million slime, two of 1 of a 7 million slimes, and 1 of 3 million, and the other rest are 2 million and 1 million. So yeah, my slimes are kinda pretty bombs, right? That's why my goal of today is getting the billions I without spending Robux because I have Robux but I don't have any more because I spent it all with this avatar. Yeah, the Adidas animation is pretty expensive, 144 Robux. Yeah, I I keep saving Robux until I get this Adidas animation. Cool, right? Saving Robux helps you get something you need. That's why I'm saving Robux. Oh, and how did I get Robux? It's simple. Just AFK and please donate. You could AFK and please donate, and someone kind will donate you. Not not in your example. If you AFK like 10 hours and you don't have a donation, just wait. Maybe some kind person or a YouTuber donate some to you. Don't know, but we must believe. See, look, I believe that I AFK in Disney for a long time. And now look where I am. I got Adidas animation and a cool avatar. So let's grind. It takes so long to grind because my luck is 2K right now, and that's not good of a luck. Sorry, but sorry for my games lagging because my internet is kinda bad. So bye guys. That's all for today, and I hope you enjoy my video. I will upload another one next time. Bye.